You know what? I'm gonna copy you the movie.
Can you stop talking in front of the movie?
Wait.
This is a gorgeous recipe. It's like, mwah. It's a go-to snack for me. It's a vegan truffle. I know the word truffle, right? It means cream and it means butter, it means melted chocolate, and it's like, what's the chocolate got in it? It's insane. These are a vegan truffle ball, and you can have any protein you like in there. I prefer hemp seeds. Today I have pepitas. So I'm not gonna run out to the shop to get the exact ingredients. You're just gonna be open-minded with this. And I find the seeds just incredible. So hemp seeds are fantastic to add to this. And I'm using something really cool, which I'm using cacao paste. Now, what I said just before is you don't know what is in chocolate, right? And this just nails it, because this is the first press of a cacao bean. And it has all the glory in there. It's amazing. Google it. It's called cacao liquor or cacao paste. It's incredible. And I'm also using my favorite ingredient, which is black tahini, which I love. I used to dip like banana and black tahini and almond butter and just sit there and eat it. Yummy, so yummy. And all I'm gonna do is put all of this into there besides the water and the tahini. I'm gonna do that last. So here we go. So we've got the cacao paste. I've got these amazing raisins. Some gorgeous desiccated coconut. Some almond meal. And some coconut sugar. And some of these delicious pepitas. That just went everywhere. Salt, important, very important. It brings out the chocolate flavor like nothing else. It's just outstanding. Okay, I'm gonna blitz this for about 10 seconds. Now check this out. It's formed this powder type consistency. Look at it. It's nowhere near a truffle ball. It's nowhere near anything holding together. But watch what happens. I'm gonna add the water first. Just a drop. And then I'm gonna add this very lush black gold into here. Okay. We're gonna blitz. Okay, you ready for this? Ready for this? Check this out. It's holding together beautifully just from those two ingredients, right? It's amazing. Oh my gosh, my love, this one. Grab some scales. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm in heaven. Grab a chair in your kitchen. And I reckon, I don't know, 30 grams maybe, do you think? Yeah. I reckon. So you get it, right? And you squish it in your hands like this. Okay, and then I sit that on there and it's the...
Exactly 30 grams?
Check this out. This is a master right here. Check that out.
Pick it up.
Okay, don't you believe me? You don't believe me, do you? You don't believe me. Okay, wait, that's 31 now. Hang on. Hold the line collar, wait. There it is.
Okay, we believe you.
Yeah, you damn believe me. And then you're just gonna do this. See what I'm doing? I'm turning it around like this. And then you're gonna roll into a ball. Totally smaller than that if you want to. And you're gonna get some coconut, right? It's great for kids to do this. Straight into there. Make a mess. There you have it. It can be like 20 grams. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. They're amazing, and they stay in the fridge for a good, I don't know, week and a half. And you're just going to rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, everybody. Rinse and see if I can do this again, over 30.
Let's see.
Okay.
Magic.
30 again.
Oh my god.
Should have done a casino, eh? Same thing, just pushing in your hands like this. These are really rich.
This is really, really nice too.
It's rich. It's like buttery. It's like there's butter in there.
It tastes like it has butter in it.
How can you believe they just did that?
Oh my god, it's illegal, right?
It's a movie.